Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again. This is the Patreon exclusive tutorial trailer for the month of February. So in this month we are doing the Vortex bar with reversed Sanctified, so a bit of a mouthful there. But this design is based on the Vortex bar by Pull-Type Paracord and the Sanctified but reversed based on the design by Terry Grossman. So yeah, this is the bracelet we're doing this month. And for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to help support the channel and get access to exclusive videos. And yeah, this one turned out wonderfully. Definitely a bit more on the wide side with this bracelet, but it is a bit thicker, but it's not, insanely thick. So still somewhat comfortable to wear. And I think for those of you that love the thicker, wider bracelets, you're going to love this one. All right, so this one turned out wonderfully, and I hope the Patreon supporters will enjoy. And if you're not a Patreon supporter, you want to learn more about how to support this channel on that platform, feel free to check out my Patreon page. Link is in the video as well as down below. And as always, a huge thank you to my Patreon supporters. You guys are making a world of difference for me on that platform. And for those of you that are supporting, see you on the other side. Everyone else, see you on the next video.